Remember in your previous loop that you used the addition operator to increase the value of I by 1. You can do a similar thing with a string value by appending a new string to an existing string, combining a new string to an existing string. So we do have an example here, an already initialized hello assigned to the result of a hello uh, with the added, not added, concatenated rather with a string world. So world is the new string added or appended to the existing string hello. So it would add the string world to the existing string stored in the hello variable. So we were correct. So this is called concatenation. In your for of loop, use the addition operator to concatenate the row value to the result value. Okay, so let's check if we have a result variable. Yes, it is assigned to an empty string with the keyword let. So given that it has been initialized with the keyword let, so this would be changeable or mutatable. Yeah, so first let's call the already initialized result variable, then assign it to itself and concatenate the value row. So what we did here is that we appended the row value to the existing variable value, the result value rather, which is the result. So yeah, to whatever value of row will be concatenated to the value of result.